Welcome to this tech security alert channel, and we do have a fairly new security alert that we can say here. If you are in Canada and are a member of Rogers as your smartphone or your carrier for your smartphone and data, there was an outage that happened last week, and of course, the outage lasted several hours, and Rogers Communications said that they would refund a day's worth of your package as a compensation for not having service for several hours. So this is something that happened last week, and now a lot of Rogers users are getting text messages on their phones with mention of here's your refund, click here, and it brings you to a shady page that asks you for very personal details. Be aware of this and share and with everybody you know that is on Rogers or Fido network, because they don't do that like that. This is going to be directly on your monthly bill. So when you get your monthly bill, you'll see that there's a day that they have refund. It's going to be written on your bill. Be very, very careful. That's the way they do it. It's on your bill directly. There's no clicking on anything. There's no going to a website. This is a scam going on, and it's apparently a lot of people are getting this text messages, which tries to lure you into giving personal details, and this is very, very dangerous. So anyone in Canada that has a Rogers client for your smartphone or anything else, and it also probably affects Fido because Fido is on the Rogers network, be aware you are getting the refund on your bill, not anything else. There's no sending a text message and sending you to a website with personal information that they want from you. Very, very important. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.